Hello and welcome to my video. I would like to share my experience with Nvidia's latest announcement with the FreeSync support. Actually, it's adaptive sync. So I have a monitor here with me. It's a Acer XFA240 XFA240. It's one of the first 12 G-Sync compatible monitors that's certified by Nvidia. So basically, this is a FreeSync monitor, and it's compatible with Nvidia graphics card for the G-Sync. And at the moment, I have a Alienware 13R3 laptop, and it's got Nvidia 1060 graphics card. So this combination of laptop is actually it's actually called Nvidia Optimus. What that means is that it's got Intel internal graphics card and with combination of Nvidia's graphics card. So basically, like it's like try to get the best battery optimization for your laptop. So when your laptop doesn't require high graphics performance, you will using Intel graphics card. But if you want to play like really intensive graphics games, and you will use the Nvidia's graphics card. That's what Nvidia Optimus does. So basically, I want to share my experience on using the Nvidia's graphics card with the FreeSync monitors and see how the performance work. So let me briefly explain my setup here. So my Alienware 13R3 laptop has a mini DisplayPort output. So I got the mini DisplayPort output to the display output input of my Acer FreeSync monitor here, and I already downloaded the latest graphics card from, graphics driver from Nvidia, and after I install it, immediately I can see that there's an option for G-Sync, and immediately the Acer XFA240 is G-Sync enabled. So right out of the box, it's G-Sync enabled. Okay, let me show you a quick demo on the Nvidia's G-Sync test program. So the G-Sync is enabled, and we can see the demo here. I don't see any stutters or any defects on the monitors here. So I switch to test pattern here. On the top right corner of my screen here, this is the refresh rate from the Acer's built-in, I think it's called like a screen counter or something. So right now it's basically it shows the dynamic FPS count here. So maybe you can really see it, but there's not stutters or anything on the screen. So it's very good. And let me try another program that's from AMD. It's a FreeSync program. Okay. So right now it's running on 144. Okay. So I'll turn off the VSync. And I don't. Yeah, the screen looks very good, very nice. Okay. Okay, let me switch to a different test pattern. Yep, it's perfect. Alright, and let me try the test UFO. So it can run on 144 Hertz right now. Okay, so my overall experience with Nvidia's announcement, it's really awesome because I have a laptop instead of desktop, so I know there's a limitation that I couldn't buy a G-Sync, like an ordinary G-Sync monitors, and then connect that with my G-Sync Nvidia Optimus graphics card. So I was really excited. I was really excited to know that Nvidia actually support the FreeSync in the G-Sync compatibilities, so I can use at least have a G-Sync monitor to play games with. So the result is very good. Okay, that's all. If you have got any questions regarding to this setup, please let me know. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.